the gates, new art gates that are going to go in to the house here. Pretty funky. Part of an old milker here. A nice store handle. Some loose stuff up here. Nice and fun. It's going to look a lot like this one that's already in. Looking pretty good. Those are the black ones built up in Vermont. Now they're red. Cool. Working on some more. And they're going to go in this other opening here for security purposes. We've got the arc welder here in 220. Brand new. Very nice. And we're going to be putting it right here at the job. Notice he's wearing breathing apparatus, but no safety eyeglasses, so I guess OSHA still would be upset. Let's go back and I want to get something in my eyes. Funky old metalwork, just like the East Village. Old metalwork. Slight modification time. Getting that last one up. Welding on the hinges. Trying to get the bolts in here to hold it to the apparatus here. You can see we've already snapped the bolt. Cheap Chinese junk. And you got the hinges tacked in. Do the final welding once it's up. It's coming along. I had to do some modifications. So, you don't want people coming in through here. Modification time. It's coming though. We're gonna get this piece together, surely and evenly. Oh, welding here on Crimp 1121. Voila! They're coming together. On the hinges.
Hi everybody, this is a metal gate that Richard Wakefield and I put together and Mike helped install.
Help weld together.
We installed it. Welder. Got his little handle here. Opens up sweet like that.
Nice.
Sweet like this.
Did it take you off your hinges? That's a nice door. Security gate. Real sweet. Yeah, close it up one more time. Let's just show everyone. It keeps all the prowlers out. This is an edgy and hip neighborhood.
Too bad I'm not 36, 24, 36 showing you the gate, but...
You're E6011. Thank you, sir. Looks beautiful.